Right, big news coming in. Remember the Karachi blast that has happened about 12 hours ago, and this has led to the loss of life of 2 Chinese nationals. This is right close to the Karachi airport. It appeared that some of these Chinese investors and engineers had only landed and were heading out. It was a high-security, high-profile convoy, yet it was targeted in this manner. And Baloch Liberation Army has taken responsibility of it. Now, China has given out a statement. The Chinese government is demanding swift action from Pakistan, expressing the death of the 2 Chinese nationals in a suicide bombing in Karachi in Pakistan last night. While the BLA has claimed responsibility, the fact is that there was this convoy that was carrying Chinese personnel from Port Qasim Electric Power Company. The bombing, so I correct myself there, that they were the personnel and from the Chinese company and from Port Qasim Electric Power Companies where they were coming. The bombing that happened close to the Karachi airport has also left at least 10 injured. We have a lot of graphic visuals that we're not putting out, but clearly looks like the impact targeting even those who were present in the convoy has been immense. So there have been multiple casualties possibly, and whether Pakistan is underreporting, underplaying, we'll know in the next few hours. But in the official statement that has come in, remember, this is an international issue. The Chinese embassy in Pakistan condemned the heinous act of terrorism, conveying heartfelt condolences to the families of the victims, both Chinese and Pakistani. We expect extending our deepest sympathies to the injured and their families.
हुई है वो एक ऑयल टैंकर जो है उसके आग लगने से जो मुतअद्दिद गाड़ियां जो है वो उसकी जद में आई हैं और उससे बहुत सारा कोलैटरल डैमेज हुआ है। उसको हम अभी मजीद असर्टेन कर रहे हैं। तो ये कहना कि ये कौन टारगेट है या किसको टारगेट किया गया है, ये इस वक्त कबल वक्त है। हमें जो है वो इस वक्त 2 डेड की इतला आ रही है, उसको भी हम वेरीफाई कर रहे हैं कि वो इस हादसे के जद में होके आए हैं।
Joining me, my colleague Shivani Sharma for the latest on that. Shivani, clearly we can see that the impact is immense. What are you picking up about the details and how China has also taken this very seriously?
Pooja, see, this is not the first kind of attack where the
Yes.
CPEC representatives who are from China have been attacked and they've been killed inside Pakistan. And this is yet another similar attack where yesterday at 11 p.m. when these Chinese nationals who were a part of a CPEC project in Pakistan had landed at Karachi. They were moving towards their destination, and there was a suicide bomb that was placed there. And initially, it looked like there was a blast in a tanker, as we were hearing to the statements that are coming in from the Pakistani authorities too. But later, it was confirmed that this was a suicide bomb attack by Baloch Liberation Army terrorists. And the picture has also been released by BLA now, and they claim that this attack was done by them. 2 Chinese nationals have lost their lives, more than 10 still remain injured, and we've seen a strong response coming in from China, Pooja. In this statement that has been issued by China, says that the Chinese embassy is not only condemning this attack, but is also seeking strict and quick action from Pakistan authorities, because China has invested millions of dollars in Pakistan for several development projects, and this particular project for which these nationals were traveling was a power generation project, as has been brought out in various reports.
And many of these projects, many of these power projects have been started specifically in the Balochistan region, and that's possibly one of the reasons that BLA, as it claims, has indulged in this attack.